Hey guys, so I got this KitchenAid dishwasher. It's almost like a series of videos I'm making off of this thing. It seems like it's always breaking. So anyway, current issue is none of these buttons. Oh, look, they somewhat work. Like, look at this thing here. It's all messed up. None of the lights come on. So it's all fried, right? So I've already taken this off and tested it, but I'll show you how I do that to figure out if it's this or if it's the little control board underneath. You can see like these lights are coming on. I press different things. It's fried. It was going slowly, like the lights. Some of the lights would stay lit even though it would work, and you just kind of ignore that one of the lights would be lit or something. Eventually it just stopped working, and like the lights were frozen. It wouldn't do anything. And then I went down, I hit the breaker, turned it back on after like 10 seconds, and then, nothing. So it's like, it's fried. So I went ahead and I bought a new one. Got it online. I think I spent like $130 or something on it. Something like that. If I can slide it in, I already bought a new pump for this thing, so it's basically brand new, like the guts. If I can put this on there, $130, it keeps me going for a little while longer. It's worth it for me. So I'm at the stage where I've sunk more into this thing than it's worth. So I really just need to keep an eye out for a good dishwasher on sale. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to test for if it's the UI or the control board, and then I'm going to go ahead and plop this new control board or UI in and see if indeed it fixes my problem. So to take this front part off, or to take this off, you got to take this front part off. And to do that, you need one of these little star drives. Let's see. Yep, that's the one. This is sorry, my son's playing some video games in the background. I can't even see that. T15. This is a T15. Seems to work. So let's go ahead and use that. So we got 4 on each side. Long ones are on top. One across the top. You got 1, 2, 3, 4 across the top. Short ones on the side. So after you get that, then this whole thing just kind of pulls away and lifts off. So you put this off to the side. So to see if it's the UI or the control board, it's pretty simple on these models, these KitchenAid models. What you need to do is go ahead and unplug the 2 cables going to the UI. There's a little tab on the side of these cords. You just press that in and you can pull it right out. On both of the cords, there's a tab on this one too. So you pull those 2, and now this is disconnected. And so this thing has a diagnostics test in it that if you open the door, and then the test here is then you take and you shut it, and the pump should start on. So my pump is starting. I can hear my pump running. So what that means is that this should be good. The control box should be good. It's reading that it can't see the UI, and it knows that it got power when it was open and it's shut, so it's going to go ahead and run the pump. I believe that's kind of a diagnostics test that it's programmed to do. So it's doing it. So this is good, which is good because this is the part that I ordered, right? So let's go ahead and see how we get this off. Pull this thing. Hopefully what we got in the box is the match for this. You can slide it in, plug it up, and hopefully we got a working dishwasher. I will go ahead and add the part numbers that I used for this, and then also the number for my dishwasher in the description below. Hopefully it helps you out. So let's take this off, replace it. All right, so for this thing, let's see, it looks like there's tabs just about everywhere on these things. There. It just popped out. Looks like there's slider tabs here and there, which slide in to tracks on here. So, so let's go ahead and open the box that I have and see. So, all right. So, I have this. So far, so good. We've got that screen on there. Everything looks good there. Let's see. We've got Pro Wash, Tough, Normal, Light, Rinse, Pro Dry, Pro Scrub, Senior Rinse. Looks like all these are the same. So that's good. So let's go ahead and slide this thing in and see if we have a working unit. I'm just gonna go and take this off so that doesn't get like accidentally like shoved under some part that it won't come up cleanly. And then try to get this in. Let's see, here's those two cords. This cord goes like this on mine. Goes through this little section here. So then we can take this, slide those tabs in properly. Right, there we go. That's pretty easy. It slides all the way in. Then I'm gonna go ahead, because I don't want to fry this thing right away. I'm just gonna unplug the power to that. Unplug the power to that. This one's the power. Then I close it. Obviously it's not coming on. This is nice and was tight in there. Here it is. All right. There it goes. Wasn't down all the way on this right side. So that appears to be in. I will go ahead and, I'm not sure if this needs to be routed a certain way or not. Plug this in. I will plug this one in. And I pray that I do not short this thing. So if I do, I'm just going to Lowe's and getting a new dishwasher. Or Home Depot, or whoever has a dishwasher these days. Alright, so here goes nothing. Hopefully it won't let the smoke out of the bottle. Whoa, I see a light underneath, which is good. I like that. All right, cancel. Ah ha ha ha. Sweet. I think I got a working unit now. So we'll do like Pro Wash. Oh, look at that. Look at how beautiful it is. This comes on. these things. I got Pro Dry, Pro Scrub, High Temp Wash, Sani Rinse. Let's do the whole caboodle. Start that puppy, and hopefully this thing starts, right? Oh, look at that. My wife is gonna be so happy with me, right? The hero of the day. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put this cover back on and cancel this. So I'll put this cover back on, and I will be doing dishes here in a minute. I won't have to do them in the sink. No need to hand dry anymore. And I'm washing. So, job done. I'll toss this thing, unless it's no use to me. Toss this thing, and we got a working dishwasher once again. Awesome.